Guys, I've got a secret for you. My wife and I have been fighting for years about getting a hot tub. I love them. She hates the way they look.
Looks like a big bathtub. Just doesn't blend in.
So because of that, we took matters into our own hands, and here's what we built. So what did we do?
Well, it was a compromise, as all of marriage is. You roll to the middle. I said, we'll get a hot tub if you let me build it in such a way that it blends into its surroundings. Just the idea that the hot tub looked just like a bench. It would be fully enclosed. The benches around it line up perfectly with the lip of the hot tub, so it really does feel like a fully built-in item.
And one of the things I'm most impressed with is how it looks exactly like the SketchUp drawing that you drew. This looks nearly identical, so amazing.
All right, in order to inset our hot tub into the surround, we had to frame an additional 2 feet beyond on each side. It's kind of complicated, all of the levels, because this framing had to be high enough that when you added the decking, it would finish flush with the hot tub, and then we have a low portion of decking that the hot tub sits on, and then a comfortable height deck for you to walk into it from. And this piece also has some extra tricks up its sleeve because it's actually removable, so that we can access the electrical controls of the hot tub if it needs any tech service or any electrical problems. So this gives you a nice comfy step to step into the hot tub from, so we don't have to keep a ladder here. And when it's covered, it's completely flat with the surround, so it really feels like it goes away almost entirely, and the view is uninterrupted. That's the other thing, is from our bedroom window, the view out is completely uninterrupted by anything that would block the view. The tolerances were tight to fit the tub and to make it so that you could stick your feet in with just a tiny gap, but we were able to pull it off.
Mind the gap. Ah, this is like Super Smash Brothers.
It does look like it's like such a severe drop, but.
Check this out. We are in the process of cutting and ripping down boards. Got a circular saw. That's my weapon of choice. That's my only choice.
We don't have a table saw.
So this is what we're gonna do, and also prove that I do sometimes work. I am actually gonna use for protection, Noelle's glasses.
I told him you to be wearing eye protection, and they're basically magnifying glasses. So
I'm going from Dan, salesman, to Dan, library man. My eyes look huge. Whoa! How do you?
Well, you're not gonna miss the line.
I can see this line. I can see the atomic structure of this. The composite.
We're a little nervous to cut this thing because it's like $12.50 a linear foot.
Something expensive.
Don't screw it up.
Don't screw it up. She says. All right, here we go.
He does it. Wow! Look at that precision.
Fresh
Oh my
cut.
goodness.
Oh, it's
okay. The seam's gonna be hidden. You're good. You're
Woo!
good. Nice job. We broke open the new saw. Cut our first board. 4'11.5" for the landing.
So we finished this bench area that surrounds the hot tub. This is the first side completely done here. One more side to go.
Yeah, baby. Want to feel powerful? That's power. All right, let's see what it does to the wood.
Our privacy wall, this is Ipe on the bottom, weathered Ipe. And these are old cedar boards that we are reusing, reclaiming, and retorching to create a privacy wall against our hot tub. So nobody wants to see me walk around naked from my, from my bedroom.
If you're watching this, neighbors, I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding. Now there are ways to clean up the dust. You brush it, you blow it off with a leaf blower. You can rinse it with water too, and that's going to help take off most of the soot.
Yeah, definitely.
So if you notice, these are all non-oiled, but this one is oiled, as you can see.
We're just sampling that, and we like the look, so we may go that direction. It feels much softer.
This is a linseed oil right here.
Yes, I wonder if it's also not messy. So maybe a little messy, but less messy.
Yeah. This is the final Yakisugi piece for now.
It's not perfect, but you know, I can live with the...
Oh, it's pretty amazing.
7 months. This took us 7 months.
Not just the wall, but everything.
Whole thing. All right, well, hold on. I gotta paint that.
I know.
Is that too much of a gap? I'm over the gap.
There you go.
So right now we're just trying to decide this privacy wall that we had planned. It feels kind of tall to us, so we're trying to decide if we should slope that down to follow the stair line and finish it out flat, or if we want to actually have this 5-foot high privacy wall.
Alright, so that's our video about our hot tub and the surround. We hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, feel free to like and subscribe so you can follow along and see what else we're up to.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next video.